Hi, Marlo. Sorry to take so long to get back to you. I guess I replied to you on Friday from my Gmail account because I have all my emails like forwarded there, and then I didn't realize that you had replied and it was sitting in my Gmail account. So I've got your last page here, and I think that there's just one little minor thing. Just looking where to go back to here. I think just that this value, I believe, should be minus 24. Because you've got, okay, let's go back to here, where we've got minus 12 for the negative 4 times 3. And then we're minusing positive 12. And so minus 12, minus 12. I think you should have minus 24 there rather than the minus 12. And I think that's going to change your overall answer to minus 22, maybe, I think. I think I'd have to work it all through from here. I think with Symbol Lab, did we get minus 18 or something like that? I think close to that. So it might be worth checking your work against that or Maple or whatever you ran it through. And just to make sure that your numbers came out exactly the way they should. Yeah, right now I can't see anything else with it, but just that minus 12 minus another 12 should give you minus 24 there, okay?